Today we shall read note making and summarizing. Okay, note making and summarizing. Okay, it carries 7 plus 8, 15 marks. Okay. Firstly, we know what is note what is note making. Note making means you minimize or abridge the text, lecture, talk, or say play. So, suppose a test is given, a passage is given about a topic. So, you minimize it, abridge it, or say write shortly. You collect main idea, sub ideas, or you collect main points, sub points, then prepare a note. Okay. Similarly, lecture. In your classroom, lecture teaches you some topic. You cannot remember the whole topic. So you collect some important points or say main points, sub points and prepare a note. Okay. Talks. Suppose one of you talk with one of your close friend. Talk 10 minutes. You do not remember whatever you talk the whole. Can't remember the whole. Whatever you talk with your friends. But if you collect main points or say sub points or sub points, then prepare a note. Okay. Similarly, play. Suppose you watched a play named as a mirror sells in the blind country. Okay. So locked the door locked the door of religion. While stated everywhere. So, suppose you watch a play named Mirror Sales in the Blind Country. Locked the door of religion. Quite stated everywhere. These are key points or main points. You collect some key points, main points, which helps to memorize and for a future reference. So prepare a note. In a regional language, अंध देशे गली दर्पण बीती धर्म दुआरे तला सबुठी लड़ई पला हरि हे लड़ई पला. This is the keywords. So you collect some keywords when you are watching a play, then prepare a note. Okay. Next. notes. Why do we make note making? Note making. Why do we make note making? Point 1. It helps us to remember the relevant points only. Okay. So when you prepare a note making, it helps for remembering relevant points only. What does relevant mean? Valuable and useful points. We are able to remember. Okay. Second, it helps us for comprehension and retention. So, note making helps for comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. And retention. Retention means it is easy to memorize. So, through note making, you understand the topic or text easily and memorize or remember it easily. Okay. Next. It helps to memorize and organize our own thoughts. Okay. So notebook helps to memorize something and now organize your own thought. What does it mean, organize? Arrange something into a particular order or structure. So we collect some points, main points, sub points, or sub points. Then we arrange it in a particular order or structure, that is organize our own thoughts. Okay. Next, it helps our examination. If you prepare a note, definitely it helps in our examination. Then 5, it helps for our future reference. Okay, when we are going to appear the examination, before we look at the notes, so it helps for future reference. Okay, then comes format. You follow this format. Okay, I will provide you the easy tricks for preparing a notebook. Number 1, note making. Okay. Number 2, title or say caption. Similar thing, you may use title or caption. Shironama, okay, caption. Then main points. Then sub points. Then sub points or example points. Example points. I will give in 2 examples because if has problem, what is subsum point and example points? I will give you 2 examples, clarify your doubts. Okay. So note making. First write note making in capital letter. Then title. Okay. Title that is not in a single word, more than 1 word within 4 words. So don't write title or caption in a single word. Main points that is you say write 1, 2, 3. Okay, just like. Okay. Or in main points, you do not write complete sentence. Part of the sentence you write. And do not copy down from the exact sentence of the passage. Okay. Then comes subpoints. Subpoints you write just like A, B, C. Okay. I will give you an example. So in the subpoints, you do not use auxiliary verb or say helping verb and a preposition. You just write down the words. Okay. And I use abbreviation. Okay. How? Suppose government. Okay. Abbreviation GOVT. Suppose education. Suppose EDN. Okay. Suppose increase. INC. In this way, use abbreviation. Abbreviation makes your note making. Increase your note making. Sweetness of the note making or beauty of the note making. Use abbreviation. Okay. Then subpoints. You write. Then say examples. Okay. Suppose that is note making. Title or say caption, importance of noun. Then main point, types of noun, subpoint, countable noun, subpoint, common noun and collective noun, subpoint, uncountable noun, subpoints, material noun, abstract noun, proper noun, that is subpoint. Then main point, genitive form of noun, subpoint, S genitive of genitive. So in this way, you prepare a note making. Okay. So effective and successful note making depends on right combination of your points. So prepare a note making systematic way. As a result, your note making is successful or effective. So, in order to increase sweetness of note making or the beauty of note making, your combination of point is very important. Okay. Next, note making written in capital letter. Okay. Title, do not write in a single word. More than 1 word within 4 words. More than 1 word. Not a long sentence. Within 4 words. Within 4 words. Okay. Then say do not copy down exact sentence of the topic or say of the context. A passage is given, do not copy down exact sentence. Don't copy down exact sentence. Okay. Next, you do not write title first because you do not know what is the context is, what is the topic is. So prepare a note, then write a title. Okay. Don't write a title at first. Okay. After preparing note making, then you put a title because you know something about the topic. Okay. Suppose a passage given, one paragraph, 3 paragraphs. Do not read it, it was times. Read one sentence, pick out the information, then 2 sentences. So you read one by one, then collect main ideas, sub ideas. So don't read the whole paragraph. Read the whole passage. Okay, you read step by step. If you read the whole passage, it takes long time. Okay, for saving time, I will tell you this point. Okay, next. Your note making should be note making should be precise, brief, and understandable. So people are not making your note making should be precise, exact, brief, and understanding. Okay. 7. In subpoints, okay, you do not use helping verb. You do not use helping verb and preposition. Okay. And use abbreviation. Okay, for increasing sweetness and beauty of your note making. Then say that is you try to pick out main points. Okay, sub points. Okay, and sub points. Okay. So when you read a passage, at that time try to pick out main points or main idea, sub points or sub idea, sub points or sub ideas. So many ideas or points in the passage. Okay. So you follow this rule when you are preparing a note making. Okay. Then another example. Next, example 2. Suppose I'm giving to a topic about kinds of musical instruments. Okay, a paragraph is given about musical instruments. So title kinds of musical instruments within 4 words. Then main point wind instrument, sub point wood instrument, then sub points, that is colorment, flute, basin. This is example points or say sub points. Okay. Some topic or passages carries example point. These are example points. You write this 1, 2, 3. Brass instrument, sub points. Sub points are example points. Trumpet, horn. Then main point string instrument, sub point by plucking the string. Then example points have sub points by drawing a bow. Example points violin, cello. Okay. So sub points are example points. Okay. Clear? Then summarizing. Summary. You write summary in capital letter. Then title is the same. Title kinds of musical instruments. Kinds of musical instrument. Okay. So summary title kinds of musical instruments. Same title. Whatever title is given in the note making, the same title you write in summarizing or summary. Okay. Then each points converts into a complete sentence from the note making. How you are preparing note making? Each points converts into a complete sentence in the summarizing. That is the easy way to summarize the passage or topic. Okay. Then paragraph must be summary must be one paragraph, not more than one paragraph. And do not add anything from the outside of knowledge. Whatever in the topic or your note making, you will write in the summary. So summary must be written in 100 words, not more than 100 words. Okay. So you prepare a summary in your own language. Okay. In your own language, simple language, not use or say colloquial words or say that is derivative remarks or say question sentence or say exclamation sentence. Don't write this. You just prepare a summary in your own language, that is simple language. Okay. Thanks to all. Those are watching my video. Not to forget, subscribe, like and share it. Thanks.